Hey, I know you want me.
Watch full video and please subscribe.
AllRight. First go New and click Sold. Choose any color, I select yellow. Now follow the process. Select the shape layer. Go to Effect and Presets and search Radio Wave. Choose any color, I choose orange. Now go 5 seconds. Select Start with 100. Click the clock icon. Now go around to 10 seconds. Increase the end within 100. Now pre-compose. Go to for second. Right-click, go time. Now click Enable Time Remapping. Now go to 10 seconds. And click this keyframe. Now follow the process. Pretty awesome. Now import Chip's PNG picture. Click S for scale and resize the picture. Follow the process. Go to Effect and Presets and search Drop Shadow. Adjust the shadow. Import the 2 chips packet and resize the image. And adjust the drop shadow. And follow this process line by line. Import the bool image. Ctrl S and resize the image. Ctrl D for duplicate the image. Follow the process. Now go to Layer, click New, and now click Null Object. Now select both Chip's bool image. Now parent the null. Now click R for rotation.
Go to seconds and click time icon.
And rotations the Chip's bool image just like that. And click this keyframe. Rotation again just like that. Select both and click F9 for easy ease. Now rotation again, so it's rotation slowly.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.